Case Crochet here with a review for the CrochetEaze crossbody purse kit on Amazon. I bought 2 of them because I wanted one for each of my granddaughters, and I really just wanted the purse straps because they're so cute. So I thought, why not do a review? I will say this, it gives you every tool you need to make this crossbody purse. The yarn is iffy. I mean, it's a cheap yarn. It doesn't even say what it's made of. I'm sure it's polyester or acrylic. I think it's a 3-weight, but it doesn't tell you. But it does the job for making a crossbody. It comes out pretty nice. And then you get a little packet of tools, which even comes with nippers. Instead of having to use scissors, you get 2 different crochet hook sizes. You get the little handmade thing if you want to put that on there. You get the stitch counters, which you're going to need. And the purse straps are just adorable. I'm telling you, the kit's worth it to get those purse straps. I wish they sold them separately. So here you can see all the tools. They got everything in there. I would advise to use the bigger crochet hook. I did one in the small one and one in the big one, and I feel like the bigger hook looks better. The smaller one's going to give you a tighter stitch, of course. But even using the bigger one, I didn't have any holes. So I would use the bigger one because they look a little better. The worst part of this is the booklet they give you with instructions is horrible. You can't make heads or tails out of it. So my advice is go get on YouTube and watch the video. That's the only way you'll know how to make this purse is to go to YouTube. The other strange thing I thought was, and they never say it or tell you in the instructions or in the video, but after you make the bottom of the purse and you start making the sides, you turn it inside out. So it's never really going to sit flat, which kind of bothered me. But listen, my granddaughters love these purses so much. They were thrilled. If anybody else has a better solution, I don't know. But you can clearly see on the YouTube video, they turn it inside out. And you just about have to do a waffle stitch in the round. So I tried it a couple different ways, and it just didn't work unless you turn the purse inside out. They should say that and tell you that you have to turn the purse inside out. So I did it while I'm making it, which is what they show on the video. So you can see the bottoms are not flat. But I think as they use them, they'll get flat. It was still a cute little kit. Comes with everything you need. Super cute. If you have granddaughters, they'll love them. Or make it for yourself. I mean, I would about make one for me. They're so cute. So anyway, that's my review. Cute little kit. Horrible instructions. Go by the YouTube video. Don't even look at the booklet. It's not right. Anyway, have a wonderful day.